That is a fantastic question, and one I get asked a lot. In the state of Texas, if you're a grandparent and one of the parents doesn't want to let you see the kids, you are basically out of luck. I mean, there are certain situations where a grandparent has rights. Basically, when that comes into play or where I should say you see it most often, let's say that there's a couple and they've got 2.5 kids, and the middle kid has two other kids, and he's married. He and his wife seem like they're just the fantastic couple, and then it turns out that they've developed an alcohol or a drug habit, and so these kids are kind of being left by the wayside. That is a situation where you are going to see the court intervene, and the grandparents would have the ability to file a suit to be named sole managing conservators of their grandchildren. That is different from a grandparents' rights case, though, okay? So as most people think about grandparents' rights, they're thinking about, well, I had this relationship with the kids, and now I really don't get to see them much, so I'm just going to file a lawsuit. Well, that might work in a lot of states, but it really doesn't in Texas, unless you can show that the emotional needs of those children is going to cause all kinds of problems if the grandparents are basically cut out of their lives. And so that's a really high standard to be able to meet, and it's rare that you can meet that. So another situation where it comes into play is, let's say if I had a son, and that son and his wife had two kids, and then my son died, okay? If my son died, there might be a way that I could establish some right to some visitation with the kids. But the presumption throughout the United States, actually, this is a United States Supreme Court case, is that parents act in the best interest of their kids. And so Texas has just taken that beyond common law and has codified it, and basically says, you don't have any special rights being a grandparent in the state of Texas.